Hey everyone! I got a free time today, so magkwento lang ako ng very light. I've been seeing some videos about people being scared about AI taking over the world. Personally, I don't think AI is gonna take over the world soon enough, but then using AI, like people who know how to use AI to their advantage will really, alam mo yun, magsa-stand out or like, mas magbe-benefit talaga. Like, really took advantage of it. There are a lot of AI-driven solutions or apps out there already. And you just have to find out like which ones would be helpful to your work, to your line of work, to your tasks. Because personally, I use different AI apps. I use ChatGPT, Claude, Copilot, Perplexity, what do you call this? Read AI, Simple AI. So Simple is for accounting and tax and finance people. You can just chat kung anong gusto nyo itanong about accounting or tax. So yeah. But yeah, going back to the topic, AI has been really of great help to me in my line of work, and I'm interested to see like how are you using it, or have you ever heard of it? Have you ever used it or try it? I'm just curious. This is an open discussion, and let me know your thoughts.